All right, let's get to answer some questions. We got a question here that says, I just received a summons. How do I respond? How do I know what to do? You can watch my videos here on YouTube because I walk you through step by step how to do it. If you need to get the documents and everything, there's a link below this video that says how to respond to court summons. And if it's a third party debt collection company, the materials that I give you is very good on fighting those. If it's a original creditor, the company that you originally got the loan from or the credit from, then your dispute would mainly be focused on the amounts, and it would usually end up going into some type of settlement phase. And that can also happen with a third party debt collector that does get all of the information approved that you have to pay the debt. But now let's go into your question about how do I respond. When you get a court summons, they're gonna have these little points. These are called allegations. It'll say like number one might say that you reside in this county. Number two might say that you got a loan or some type of credit from a company. It might say in number three how that third party became the owner of the debt. And then it might have in point four the amount that they're claiming that you owe. So you have to respond to each one of those. If you don't, you're going to lose, even if it's something that is correct about you, like that you live at a certain address. That's You have to still answer that. You have to say I admit or deny, and then you have to sometimes elaborate on that your answer to that particular allegation. If you don't do it, you're going to you could just lose simply because of that, because you had no answers. They could just say they want to get a judgment because you didn't answer anything that was in the summons complaint. You have to do it. You can't leave it. So you answer each of the allegations, one through whatever. Some of them are short, some of them may be long. Anything that you don't know, you can question it. Like even the amount, you can question the amount, regardless if it's an original creditor or a third party debt collection company. You can question anything on that allegation, on that court summons. You have to do it within the period of time that they give you. You have to give your answers to the court and to the plaintiff attorney, and the best way to do that is once you write it down on a piece of paper, your answer. Sometimes the court may give you a form that you can put it on. They don't expect you to be an attorney and do it like an attorney would do it, but there's proper ways that you have to do it. And they will sometimes give you forms, or they might send you the legal aid, or you can get the paperwork that I give you, the documentation. I give you videos, step by step videos, and the documents that you can use to fight your court summons. It's going to be three different documents that you would need to do that. The links are below this video. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Make sure to watch the video, What Makes Us Different. That is the way that we repair credit. If you need your reports and scores, please go to the website your3scores.com. And as always, we do have our debt validation letters, statute of limitation letters, and our cease and desist collection activities letter. So thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.